Hello everyone. The high season in Phuket is in full swing, which means that thousands of tourists are arriving on the island every day to enjoy the sea, the sun, and, of course, immerse themselves in Thai culture. Well, we continue to work to ensure that our guests and apartment owners. Layan Green Park made us feel extremely comfortable and had a memorable stay. Well, I'm here today, as always, to tell you about the latest news from the construction site of Phase 2. Let's get started. We've already told you about the installation of soundproof screens around the buildings. Phase 2, as well as for better soundproofing and additional comfort for our residents, we have taken additional measures and installed soundproof screens around the buildings of Phase 1. In November 2024, we also implemented an object-oriented BIM model for the complex, which helps us plan the construction more accurately. And we started using the PlanRadar. This is a tool for optimizing tasks on the construction site. Right now, we are finalizing the setup of these systems to meet the needs of Layan Green Park and are starting to actively use them in our work. And we will definitely tell you how exactly they will impact our processes in the upcoming episodes. In Building F, the underground floor and the columns of the first underground level are 60% poured and the walls are 35% completed. In Zone 1, the pouring of the slab for the first underground floor with a volume of 552 cubic meters is fully completed. The installation of the interior walls on the third and fourth floors of Building G is fully completed. We will build the double walls later. This will help optimize the construction processes and simplify the installation of the mounting systems. In the meantime, we are continuing the installation of walls on the fifth floor. The installation of plant boxes is 75% complete. At the same time, we are testing the hot water supply pipe for leaks and continuing the installation of electrical cable ducts from the first to the third floor. On the first and second floors, we have started installing the indoor units of the fan coils, which are a key element of the air conditioning system. On the third floor, this work is still in progress. Here, the installation of pipes for the air conditioning systems is ongoing. In Building H, we are in the process of installing the communication system for the fire evacuation. On the third and fourth floors, we have completed the installation of the interior walls, and work is currently underway on the fourth floor. The installation here is 30% complete. Plant boxes successfully installed on the second, third, and fourth floors. And also on the second and third floors, we are continuing to work on the communications for the air conditioning systems and have already installed the indoor units of the fan coils. In Building K, we are continuing to erect the frame of the building. In Zone 1, the slabs of the sixth floor are fully poured and now we are reinforcing them. Formwork for the slab of the seventh floor. In Zone 2, the pouring of the slabs for the third and fourth floors is also completed and we are in the process of pouring the slab for the fifth floor. In addition, we are continuing the installation of drainage pipes and the setup of evacuation systems. In Zone 1, work is ongoing on the 7th floor, and in Zone 2, it's on the 5th floor. At the construction site of Building L, we are continuing the earthworks for the foundation. We have completed the pouring of the foundation for the Anson Pool thermal pool, where you will soon be able to relax and enjoy harmony with nature. Well, that's all the news from the Layan Green Park construction site for today. Subscribe so you don't miss any updates. And as usual, I want to remind you that now is a great time to buy apartments in the second phase. You can find all the details in the links in the description. Thank you for being with us. See you soon!